Title: Kanye West apologizes in Hebrew for anti-Semitic remarks. In a recent turn of events, the renowned rapper formerly known as Kanye West found himself issuing an apology to the Jewish community. This comes just weeks after a controversial comparison he made between himself, Jesus, and Hitler, sparking widespread criticism. Taking to Instagram, the artist, who now goes by Ye, posted a heartfelt apology written in Hebrew. This gesture shows his sincere intentions to make amends and address the hurt caused by his previous anti-Semitic comments. The apology, seen as a significant step towards reconciliation with the Jewish community. West's earlier remarks drew widespread condemnation, as his comparison of himself to Hitler struck a deeply offensive chord. Recognizing the gravity of his words, he has taken personal responsibility for his actions, and humbly expressed remorse for any harm caused. Apologies of this nature are seen as crucial in addressing the impact of hate speech and promoting inclusivity. By making a public statement in Hebrew, West demonstrates his commitment to ensuring that his message reaches directly to the affected community, acknowledging the importance of cultural sensitivity and understanding. While it is essential to hold individuals accountable for their actions, it is equally important to recognize the potential for growth and change. West's willingness to reflect on his past mistakes and offer a heartfelt apology in Hebrew shows a genuine desire for reconciliation and personal growth. The Jewish community, along with the wider public, will likely observe how West's actions evolve from this point forward. It remains to be seen how this apology will be received and if it will open up opportunities for healing and dialogue. In an era where social media has amplified the influence of public figures, discussions surrounding accountability and responsible speech continue to gain prominence. West's apology serves as a reminder of the need for thoughtful dialogue and the importance of understanding the impact of words on various communities. As we progress, it is hoped that acts of contrition like this will promote a more inclusive and understanding society, fostering a culture where individuals take responsibility for their words and actions, and actively work towards fostering harmony across diverse communities.